Hello, my name is Alper Nishar with another Swift Sensors tutorial video. As an administrator, you may have noticed that some of your users might have a red triangle next to their name. This means that their email address is unverified. If an email address is unverified, they cannot receive email alerts from our software. To verify an email address, please click on the pencil edit icon button and then click on the blue email button. This user should receive a verification email. This is how our verification email looks like. Please click on the hyperlink to verify your email. Please put in your password to verify your email. If you do not remember your password, please reach out to support@swiftsensors.com so we can initiate a password reset. Congratulations, your email has now been verified. For more information, please visit us at www.swiftsensors.com/support or email us at support@swiftsensors.com.